Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own geodes with sea salt. So let's get started. I'm going to place a puddle of glue down, and it's going to spread out, so don't put too much. Now I have a paper clip. I'm going to place the paper clip down in the glue. I'm going to use some coarse salt. It can be white or pink. This is the pink Himalayan one. I'm going to dump that down in like that, and I'm going to arrange it like that, and I'm going to sprinkle some glitter on it. And you can just tap it, make sure all that glitter gets down inside. And when it's totally dry, you can shake off the excess salt like that. And I'm going to set it aside to dry. Or you could also glue them onto stones. And you're going to allow that to dry. And I have some here that are finished. And a smaller one. These could be made into pendants. And here's the rock. To make these waterproof, take some clear nail polish, pour some over the top. Like that.